Hello everyone. In this video, I will walk you through how to create an account and trade futures on Bitget. Please follow along at a pace that feels comfortable to you. If you register through the link provided in the description below, you can enjoy a 50% discount on trading fees, 20% cash back, and additional promotional bonuses. For this reason, I strongly recommend signing up using that link. First, let's start with creating your account. Once you click the link, you will be redirected to the Bitget registration page. You can use either your email address or phone number as your login ID. When setting up your password, make sure it is at least 8 characters long, and includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Next, you will see a field to enter a referral code. In that field, type in *3. By entering *3, you will receive a 50% trading fee discount, 20% cashback, and additional promotional rewards on Bitget. After completing all required fields, agree to the terms and conditions listed below. Then click the Create Account button. Follow the on-screen instructions shown by the icons in the top right and select the images displayed. Enter the verification code sent to your email or phone. Once this is complete, your Bitget account will be successfully created. Next, I will guide you through the KYC verification process. KYC verification is required to deposit funds, withdraw assets, and start trading on Bitget. Since this process involves facial recognition, we will proceed using a mobile device. First, install the Bitget app on your smartphone. After installation, launch the application. Tap the Get Started button to continue. Log in using the account credentials you created earlier on your PC. After logging in, tap the Verify button in the center of the screen to start KYC. A message will appear stating that the verification process usually takes about 5 minutes. Tap Verify Now at the bottom of the screen. First, select your nationality. Then, pick the country or region where you currently reside. Next, decide which type of identification document you will use. Select the ID that you currently have in your possession. For this demonstration, I'll be using a passport. Tap Next to move forward. Get your identification document ready. Then, tap I'm ready to continue. For the document capture step, select Take a picture. If using a passport, place it correctly in the frame and capture the information page. Next, move on to the facial recognition step. Align your face within the frame and follow the on-screen prompts, like blinking or nodding. Once this step is complete, your KYC submission will be sent. The review usually takes around 1 hour. Shortly after, you'll get a notification confirming that your verification has been approved. Next, let's go over how to set up two-factor authentication. Return to the Bitget website on your PC. Hover your cursor over the profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Security. Now, we'll enable two-factor authentication using Google Authenticator. Click the Setup button next to Google Authenticator. The Google Authenticator setup page will appear. Download the Google Authenticator app from your phone. Once downloaded, open the application. Tap the plus icon at the bottom right. Then select Scan a QR code. Use your mobile device to scan the QR code shown on the Bitget website. After scanning, a 6-digit code labeled Bitget will appear in the Google Authenticator app. Now enter this 6-digit code into the Google Authenticator code field on the Bitget website. Finally, click Submit to complete the setup. Once this step is finished, two-factor authentication will be successfully activated. Second, I will guide you on how to deposit funds into your Bitget account. There are multiple ways to fund your Bitget account using cryptocurrencies. In this tutorial, I will focus mainly on the peer-to-peer trading method. This method is convenient because it has no transaction fees and is easy to follow. First, move your mouse to the wallet icon at the top right corner of the screen. You will see different types of wallets displayed. Among these, the spot wallet is used for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading. On the other hand, the futures wallet is used exclusively for futures trading. To deposit funds, select the spot wallet. Next, click on the Buy Crypto button located at the top right of the page. You will then see several options to buy cryptocurrency. From these options, choose peer-to-peer trading. Alternatively, by hovering over the Buy Crypto button in the upper left corner, you can go directly to the peer-to-peer trading page. To start buying cryptocurrency, first switch the interface to buy mode. Next, pick the cryptocurrency you wish to acquire. In most cases, Tether USDT is preferred because of its stable value and high liquidity. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you plan to buy. Then, select the fiat currency you will use to pay. Next, choose your preferred payment method. A list of available sellers will appear on the screen. Here's a key tip to remember. It is suggested to select sellers with many completed trades and a solid completion rate. Pick your preferred seller. Then hit the Buy button. Before proceeding, thoroughly review the seller's terms and conditions. Certain sellers may request identity verification before you can continue. Now, input the purchase amount once more. Also, confirm the payment method you have chosen. Then press the Buy USDT button. The seller's payment information will appear on the screen. Before making the payment, carefully follow the instructions in the seller's chat. Follow the seller's payment instructions accurately. Then complete the bank transfer. Once the payment is done, return to the Bitget page. Next, click Pay to notify the seller that the payment has been sent. After a short wait, the seller will confirm the payment. Once confirmed, the purchased cryptocurrency will be transferred to your spot wallet. Third, I will guide you on how to trade futures on Bitget. To begin futures trading on Bitget, you first need to transfer your funds from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. To make a transfer while in your spot account, click the transfer button at the top right corner. Set the transfer direction from spot to USDT futures. Then select the cryptocurrency you want to move. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, and click Confirm. Following confirmation, your capital will be successfully relocated to your futures wallet. Now, let's explore the actual futures trading steps. Place your mouse over the Futures tab in the top navigation menu. Then choose USDT Futures. The Futures trading interface will appear on your screen. By selecting the Pair button in the top left area, you can pick the asset you intend to trade. On the right-hand side of the interface, the Trade panel contains several configuration settings. Clicking this specific option allows you to modify the margin mode. Isolated mode allocates a specific amount of margin to an individual trade. Cross mode utilizes your entire available balance to back your positions. For those new to trading, isolated mode is typically the safer alternative. Press the button next to it to define your preferred leverage multiplier. Leverage is adjustable all the way up to 150x. While higher leverage can amplify gains, it also significantly raises the risk of capital loss. It is advisable for beginners to stick with lower leverage levels. Directly below, you can choose your preferred order type. A limit order enables you to establish a particular entry price. A market order fulfills the trade instantly at the current prevailing price. In this area, you can monitor the margin balance available for your trades. Input the target price and the quantity for your specific order here. Finally, by clicking this button, you can choose your position direction. If you expect a price increase, choose Open Long. If you expect the price to drop, select Open Short. Once your order is filled, navigate to the Positions tab at the bottom. You can then review comprehensive details regarding your active trade. Row indicates your current percentage return on equity. The estimated liquidation price shows the level at which your position will be forced closed. If market prices hit this point, your position will be liquidated automatically. The entry price reflects the rate at which you initially opened the position. The mark price serves as the global benchmark price used by the platform. Clicking the pencil icon by margin lets you manually adjust the funds assigned to the trade. By picking the entire TPSL feature, you can define your profit targets and stop losses simultaneously. Lastly, hit the Close button to exit your current trade. Enter the specific price you want to exit at in the Close Price box. Then, type in the volume you wish to close in the Close Quantity field. Click Close to settle the position at your designated price. Selecting Flash Close will terminate the position immediately at market rates. Click Confirm. Your position will then be successfully settled and closed. Today, we've walked through the entire process of setting up a Bitget account and trading futures in a simple, beginner-friendly way. To take advantage of the trading fee discount, make sure to register using the link located in the video description below. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.